What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just gonna explain and show it to you what are the light modes on the OneUpLighting that I had on my grill. So luckily for you guys, we just worked on a 1.5 Honda Accord Sport. It's blue, as you can see, it's right here. And in a few, I'm gonna show you the modes and light colors that you could do with it. So here it goes. Okay guys, so the previous video that I showed you guys before, the app's gonna look like this. So we're just gonna turn it on right here. So that's what it called, like right over here. You could see it, and since you could do with the multiple colors and show you the modes that you could do, you could actually customize it. That's right, it shows right here. Let me just focus the camera right here, and modes is right over here. And I know one of you asked like how many modes that you could do with it, and to be honest with you, I cannot go through one of them since there's like a gazillion numbers and modes that you could do with it. So this one is like 210, says close curtain swab YCP. So that's what it's gonna look like. And there's a million modes that you could do with it. So it's right here, and there you go. Forward purple, cyan white with the mixed colors and everything. So yeah, that's pretty much it. This is just a short video to show you the modes that you could do with the lights. This one is automatic loop. I kind of like this one. Forward dreaming, that's what it looks, so you can see. What else? There's an actual backward dreaming, and I know it's hard to like focus on the app and also the lights, and to be honest with you, this is pretty amazing. So there you go, guys. Hope that answers your questions, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down the comment section below.